everyone, let's make crock pot chicken and dumplings. This is what it looks like when it's done, but I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's get into this video. So into my crock pot, I put my chicken tenders. I have seasoning on my chicken tenders, black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Now I am going to add in a can of cream of chicken condensed soup. I'm going to add in a can of cream of mushroom and roasted garlic soup. Add in some chicken broth. And so this is biscuit dough that I added from a can of biscuits, y'all. I used the whole can. I added 1 chicken bouillon, the whole thing. I just put it in there. Okay, I have some celery. Y'all see I added celery to the chicken and dumplings. Now I'm adding onions. Y'all may not be able to see this, but I have it on high, and I'm gonna cook this for 4 hours, or basically until my biscuits are cooked all the way through and my chicken is cooked all the way through. I'll be back once it's done. Also, I added in about 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. We are going to make some delicious chicken and dumpling soup. After 3 hours, take your chicken out and shred your chicken. Okay, here we have it, everyone. Our chicken and dumplings cooked in our crock pot chicken and dumplings.